Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a legend title to your charts in Google Sheets. If you've ever looked at a chart and felt a little lost about what the colors or sections represent, having a clear legend title can make a world of difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your legend titles, making your charts look more professional and easier to understand, whether you're working with pie charts, bar graphs, or anything in between. Let's jump right in. I've already got a pie chart set up in Google Sheets. For this example, imagine it's showing student IDs, their names, and their scores. If you're following along and your chart looks a little different, don't worry. The steps will be just the same for most chart types. Now take a close look at your chart. Over on the right side, you'll see little colored circles or boxes. Those are your chart legends. Each one matches a piece of your data, helping anyone viewing the chart figure out what each color stands for. But sometimes just having colored labels isn't enough. Maybe you want to add a specific title to that legend to make it crystal clear, something like student names or exam categories. So how do you do that? Here, where Google Sheets makes things pleasantly simple. Just double-click directly on the colored legends area, the spot where those circles or boxes appear, usually on the right side of your chart. When you double-click, something cool happens. A panel pops up on the right, showing you all kinds of chart customization options. Take a moment here if you need. It's totally normal if it takes a couple of tries to get the click just right. Sometimes Google Sheets will open up the general chart editor, so make sure you've clicked right on the legend itself. If you accidentally open the wrong panel, just close it and try again. No worries. Once you have the legend options visible, look for an area labeled text formatting, or you might just see a text box labeled legend title or label. This is the field where you can type in any name you want your legend to show. Here, where you can get creative or stick to something straightforward. For example, if your legend shows student names, you might title it students. If your chart breaks down sales by region, you might want to call your legend sales regions. Choose something that will be instantly clear to anyone reading your chart. After you type in your new title, take a second to review how it looks on your chart. Is it clear and descriptive? If not, you can always tweak it, add more detail, or keep it short and sweet. The great thing about Google Sheets is these changes show up instantly, so you'll see right away if it improves your chart's readability. And that's really all there is to it. Double-click the legend, edit the label or title, and your chart instantly looks more polished and user-friendly. Even small adjustments like this can make your data pop and help others grasp your findings faster. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with another chart feature in Google Sheets. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.